Monopoly Go airplane mode tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna teach you how you can easily use the VPN method in order to fix the airplane mode in Monopoly Go. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or your App Store, and here in the search bar you will have to search for VPN. Now once you search for VPN, you will be able to see various types of paid as well as free VPNs, but among these you just have to scroll down and try to find the VPN Proton. So this is the VPN that I'm currently using. So you just have to tap on the Proton VPN, then tap on the install button in order to install it in your device. Afterwards, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch it. Over here you will be able to see various types of fastest free servers like USA, UK, Netherlands, Canada, Japan, China, etc. So you just have to simply tap on the connect button, and after waiting for some time it will show you that your connection is now protected and now you have successfully connected with a VPN. So once this step is done, you need to launch your Monopoly Go application and then tap on the go button. Now once you do this, basically once you have connected to the VPN, now you will notice that you just have to scroll down and you just have to turn the airplane mode on. Then you just have to click on the go button, and once you do this, you will notice that now you have around 6 to 7 new roles in Monopoly Go. So the VPN method works this way. So if you want to keep using the VPN method again and again, then you can try to use different countries, and you can even try to clear the data of your Monopoly Go application before connecting to the new server in a new country. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.